What if NASA is hiding something extraordinary? In a recent TV interview, Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb claimed that NASA might be sitting on high-resolution images of a mysterious object, 3I Atlas, and they're not releasing them. Loeb believes this object, which zipped through our solar system in 2025, shows signs of artificial origin. Could it really be a probe from another civilization? Loeb asks, why haven't we seen close-up images? He believes NASA may already have detailed shots, perhaps from spacecraft orbiting Mars or Jupiter, but they haven't been made public. Is it skepticism, bureaucracy, or something more deliberate? In the vast darkness between the stars, something was on approach. Astronomers spotted it in July 2025, an object later named 3I Atlas, only the third visitor we've ever seen coming from another star. At first it looked like just a faint pinprick, but Harvard scientist Avi Loeb noticed something odd almost immediately. It was too bright for how far away it was. If it were a typical asteroid reflecting sunlight, it would have to be enormous, on the order of 20 kilometers across, to shine that bright at such a distance. That's about the size of Manhattan Island. Based on what we know about space rocks, stumbling on something that huge by chance seemed almost impossible. It was as if we had skipped straight to finding a cosmic whale before seeing more than a few cosmic minnows. Loeb's curiosity was piqued. He wondered, could 3I Atlas be surrounded by a cloud of gas or dust, making it look bigger than it really is? If not, and it truly was a giant, solid object, that made no sense under ordinary circumstances. To investigate, scientists began analyzing the light coming from 3I Atlas, searching for the chemical fingerprints of gas, the telltale sign of a comet releasing vapor as it warms. But they found none. No water vapor, no carbon-based molecules, only sunlight reflecting off a reddish surface, maybe coated in organic-rich particles called tholins. This was puzzling. Either 3I Atlas was an unusually dry comet, or it really had no gas coma at all. Loeb put it bluntly. If 3I Atlas is not behaving like a normal asteroid or a normal comet, then what is it? He even dared to suggest it might not be natural at all. As weeks passed and 3I Atlas drew nearer to the sun, astronomers hoped for clarity. Surely if it was a comet, it would grow a tail, and by late August, it did. But something was strange. The Hubble Space Telescope captured an anti-tail, a forward-facing jet pointing toward the sun instead of the usual tail trailing behind. This anti-tail was real, not an illusion, and it stretched 10 times longer than it was wide. Meanwhile, the normal tail was surprisingly faint. Even its chemical makeup was odd. The gas was rich in nickel, not iron, like industrial metal alloys. And instead of familiar water vapor, 3I Atlas released mostly carbon dioxide, rare for interstellar comets. Even light scattering off the object showed extreme polarization, something different about its surface or dust. One anomaly after another, and together they told a story no ordinary comet could explain. By early October 2025, as 3I Atlas swooped through the inner solar system, Loeb had a growing list of anomalies. The object's brightness implied a mass far greater than Oumuamua or Borisov, perhaps 1,000 to 1,000,000 times more. Its anti-tail, odd composition, extreme polarization, all unusual. But its orbit and timing, downright spooky. It came in on a nearly flat angle, just 5 degrees off the ecliptic, the same plane where Earth and the planets orbit. Chance of such perfect alignment? Just 0.2%. Even stranger, Earth happened to be on the opposite side of the Sun during its closest approach. It was as if the object entered stealthily, hiding behind the solar glare, avoiding our best instruments. And its inbound direction? Just 9 degrees away from the origin of the famous WOW signal of 1977. Coincidence or something more? Late October, perihelion, the moment of truth. As 3I Atlas whipped around the Sun, space telescopes captured something unexpected. A sudden blue flare. Not the usual reddish dust or yellowish gas, but an electric blue, bluer than the Sun itself. That was bizarre. Cold comet surfaces don't out-blue the Sun. Loeb added this to his growing list of anomalies. Then came another twist. The object was accelerating, slightly but measurably, beyond what gravity predicted. Normally, comets accelerate if gas jets push them, but this would require shedding 10% of its mass in just a month, a staggering outflow. And yet, there was no massive plume in sight. Could something else be providing the push? Loeb's question was bold. What if 3I Atlas isn't natural at all? Could it be a probe, a scout, designed to survey the solar system, or even drop off devices as it passes? Its retrograde path would be ideal for intersecting planetary orbits from behind. Maybe that blue flash was something artificial, a power system, an engine. He compared it to the Trojan horse, seemingly harmless but carrying a hidden purpose. And with its peculiar orbit, its uncanny timing, its strange materials, could this be the first visit from something not made by nature? Loeb doesn't claim certainty, but he urges vigilance. Extraordinary claims demand extraordinary evidence, but ignoring a fire alarm, even a small one, could be catastrophic if it turns out to be real. So we watch, we measure, and we stay open to the unknown.